Mr. Bird, happy birthday. This is your life. And more importantly, Oshkosh North, let's get to know the birthday boy a little bit better. You may not have known, in high school, he was quite the athlete. He was rated the best, number 55 at Hortonville for football that year. Mr. Bird said he loved the fact that if you looked at his number backwards, it still said 55. We all kind of thought he was an athlete, but did you know he was also very studious? Oh yes, that's right. He studied everybody else's notes and quizzes and tests, and that's how he got through high school, and, well, we're still trying to figure out if he got through college or not. But he's here and doing a fabulous job. And we all know he does a fabulous job, but there might be a side to Mr. Bird you don't know. What assistant principal doesn't have some country in them? That's right, Mr. Bird is a closet cowboy, and not Dallas Cowboy fan, but yeehaw kind of cowboy. Happy birthday, Mr. Bird. We hope to have another celebration for you next year, or at least to have you here alive while we do it. Enjoy.